Hey, what's up guys, Droy here. So today I have the Spigen Ultra Hybrid here in the Frost Black color. It's gonna set you back $16.99, less 5% right now. You can follow my Amazon affiliate links down in the description if you wanna scoop it up for any of your iPhone 15 lineup. So let's take a peek at it here. So let me scooch the phone aside so you don't see it in the background there. But here is the actual case. So as you can see here guys, it's the frosted black, so you can see how frosted and semi-transparent it is through there. But one thing that I really like about this one is the matte black actual sides here that are very similar to the original crystal clear back with the matte black sides that I've originally always loved. And this one's just that one, but just a little bit different, right? Now looking at the interior here, you can see that we do have the same type of interior here, but it's a little more glossier inside. And then we do have the actual air cushion technology in the corners that's going to help with drop protection. So let's get this bad boy put on. So I'm going to start with this side and just kind of push in, and there we go. So there is the case installed. And one thing to point out right off the bat is, you know, obviously I have the black titanium, but you can see how much darker it is once you actually install the phone. So depending on what color phone you have, or if you have a different kind of skin or something on it, it's definitely going to change up the look a little bit every single time. Now with this frosted black, someone pointed out and said that they thought it looked a little glittery looking. And I don't really think it does in person. I think it actually looks okay. Maybe with different lighting, it might look a little shiny or something like that. But at the end of the day, I think it looks fine, to be honest with you. The material, I really like the back. It does not show any fingerprints or smudges, which I really appreciate. And as you can see the Apple logo pretty good there. And then if we kind of tilt it, you can see the feet on the three corners there. That's going to help with, you know, kind of putting it back down and not shaking too much. And then we do have a raised lip there around the camera bumps, which are definitely going to help with lens protection and all that. And it's not any different type of material other than the side. It looks like the same kind of matted color there. And then looking here on the side, we have the matte finish side here, raised power button and some holes there for a lanyard. And then nice smooth edges, so rounded corners, which is really nice. And then if we look here, you can see obviously our USB-C charging port and the speaker cutouts there, so nice and neat. And then if we kind of move over to this side, obviously we got our buttons as well, so our volume up and down and action button. And then we got our Spigen branding right there as well. And then nothing at the top, but that's the top-down view if you care to see it. Now looking at the front, you can see that we do have some nice lips going all around the complete front of the phone. It is tempered glass friendly as well, and that's the look of the front. So very slim and clean looking. And then where the cutout is right here as well, very nice and subtle. Now let's go ahead and do the wobble test. So let's do face down first. And face down, there is no shaking going on at all. And if we do back down, that's a little bit different story. So on the sides here, not so much, but once you start to get to that corner where the opposite end of the camera bump is, that's where it becomes a shaky mess. So next, let's do the clicky button test. So let's start with that power button first. So very tactile and responsive, sounds good. And then let's do the volume up, volume down. So very clicky and tactile. Let's do the action button, toggling between silent and ring. So everything's looking pretty good there. So all the buttons pass with flying colors. All right, so last but not least, let's do the MagSafe capabilities. So unfortunately with this case, it is not the MagFit case, which means it has the built-in MagSafe magnets. You can always add an accessory to this if you want to, if you do use a lot of MagSafe accessories in your vehicle. But in reality, guys, if you don't, then you can always just like this, do it in your home and just set it on your table and it's going to MagSafe charge. But as soon as I lift my phone up, it kind of goes with me, but a little shake knocks it right off. So unfortunately, the MagSafe strength isn't super strong, just simply due to the fact that there is no magnets built in this case. Now, is that a deal breaker? It depends on how much you use MagSafe accessories. A lot of people don't, and they use Qi wireless charging pads, which this completely works just fine with. So like I said, at the end of the day, it just really ultimately depends on how much you use MagSafe accessories, especially in your vehicle. So all in all, guys, I really love this case. I tested it for a whole day the other day while I was at work, using it in different situations, and it never really failed me, especially with the darker color. There's just something to be said about this. I'm really a big fan of just darker black cases. Now, I already did a review of the Frost Clear one, which I think looked really, really good as well. So it's just kind of up to you, you know, if you like the darker one or if you like the clear one. Like I said, it's kind of up to you what your preference is. But all in all, feels good in the hand. Has some good protection, being from Spigen, and definitely having some decent drop protection with that military standard. So yeah, guys, all in all, I think it's well worth the money, especially when you're getting 5% off on Amazon. So like I said, like spending like 17-ish bucks out the door with next day shipping is awesome. So hit the like button if you liked the video. If you loved it, please subscribe, ring that notification bell for up-to-date content. So be safe, God bless, I'll see you on the next one.